Welcome back to Tech Goods. If you're new here, we bring you detailed reviews of the latest and most useful tech and lifestyle products to help you make smart buying decisions. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a video. Today, we're diving into something perfect for summer setups, outdoor gatherings, and year-round comfort: the JolyDale Aluminum Patio Gazebo with double roof. Let's get into it. The JolyDale Aluminum Patio Gazebo is designed for those who want to enhance their outdoor living space with something more permanent and sophisticated than a pop-up tent. Whether you're planning to host backyard barbecues, soak in a hot tub, have quiet coffee mornings, or entertain guests outdoors, this gazebo offers both functionality and elegance. With a hardtop roof, integrated curtains and netting, and a solid aluminum frame, it's built to withstand changing weather while keeping your space cool, private, and inviting. This gazebo stands out primarily because of its double roof design. The sloped hardtop roof not only adds visual appeal, but also serves a practical purpose, preventing the accumulation of snow, rainwater, and leaves. That means less maintenance and better long-term durability. Constructed from powder-coated aluminum, the frame is engineered for stability and strength. It's tough enough to handle heavy snow loads and stand strong against windy conditions, making it an excellent choice for year-round outdoor use. One of the most impressive features of the JolyDale Gazebo is its smart drainage system. Rainwater flows from the roof edge down into the supporting poles and eventually to the ground, effectively minimizing water buildup and the hassle of cleanup. It's built to endure up to 6 inches of snow, which is a major plus for those living in colder climates. The included curtains and mesh netting offer both privacy and protection from bugs, making this gazebo a great choice for patios, lawns, or poolside relaxation. It also includes a convenient roof hook, so you can easily hang a ceiling fan or decorative lights to customize your outdoor space. Now, let's talk about setup. The gazebo arrives in 5 separate boxes, which might not all come at once, so patience is important. As for assembly, this is not a one-person job. Some users reported that it took a couple of weekends with a partner to get everything in place. But they also agreed that once it's assembled, the effort is completely worth it. The kit comes with all the necessary hardware, clear instructions, and even the tools you need. So while the process is time-consuming, it's definitely manageable if you stay organized and enlist help. This gazebo was designed with flexibility in mind. Whether you're installing it over grass, concrete, or decking, it includes the proper foundation materials to get the job done. Just be aware if you're placing it on grass, it must be secured using the included ground pegs and wind ropes for safety and stability. Its sturdy build makes it suitable for a variety of environments, and the added privacy features mean you can enjoy your outdoor space with fewer interruptions from wind, sun, or insects. Everything you need is included in the box, well, technically 5 boxes. The package comes with anchor and mounting materials, foundation tools, side curtains, and mesh screens. All the components are pre-measured and labeled to streamline the building process. That means no guesswork when you're halfway through the setup. Plus, the step-by-step instructions are easy to follow, even if you're not particularly experienced with DIY projects. User reviews paint a clear picture of the experience. One user wrote, "Absolutely love this gazebo. It was a project, but my dad and I were able to get it put together. Organization is key. That highlights both the challenge and the reward of setting it up." Another reviewer was more candid. "Anyone who says this is a one-person job is lying. It took me and my husband 4 weekends to complete, but it was worth it." Despite the effort, users consistently describe the end result as beautiful, solid, and totally worth the time it takes to assemble. In summary, the JolyDale Aluminum Patio Gazebo brings a lot to the table. On the plus side, it has a weatherproof double roof, a built-in drainage system, and sturdy construction that can handle tough outdoor conditions. The included curtains and mesh panels add comfort and privacy, while the internal hook lets you personalize your space with lighting or fans. On the downside, it's not a quick or solo assembly project, and the boxes may arrive at different times, requiring a bit of planning. Still, for those looking for a stylish and permanent outdoor upgrade, the benefits far outweigh the challenges. So, is the JolyDale Gazebo a smart buy? Absolutely, if you're ready to invest the time in assembly. Once it's up, you'll have a durable, all-season structure that enhances your outdoor lifestyle with comfort, privacy, and reliability. Whether you're relaxing alone or hosting a party, this gazebo provides the ideal shelter without compromising on looks or performance. Thanks for tuning in to Tech Goods. If you found this review helpful, give it a thumbs up and drop a comment below if you've tried the JolyDale Gazebo or have questions about setup. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more honest reviews and smart buying guides. We'll see you in the next one. Until then, stay sharp and stay comfortable.